You want to tell everybody? Say, everybody, it was blowing so hard. Yes, it was. But Mama gave me some no scary, right? Right? And she played laser games with me so I could chase the red dot to keep me calm. And then tell everybody what happened last night. The wind started to calm down. I'd say around 2 a.m. because we didn't sleep much. And in Tampa, we only got tropical storm winds. But I feel bad for those in Fort Myers. And then Rachel Cat, I think, is in Fort Myers, and her mom. I do pray that they are okay. And all my other subscribers that got hit hard from it, I do hope that you're okay. This was a bad storm, but we don't have any damage. We got some tree limbs down. That's about it. My daughter didn't lose power. We did lose power at noon yesterday, and then it came on around, I think 9:30, 10 o'clock, something like that. And okay, so let's go tell them, handsome, you want him to go out. I cracked the door because we have some cooler weather today. Actually, I was shivering out there. And so I cracked the door a little bit just to get some air in here and circulating. And I had we had the oil lanterns and the candles going, right? Yes, but tell them, say, Mama told me that it was going to blow my fur, and I wasn't going to like it, but I was insisting on stepping out on the patio, right? And what did it do? It blew your fur, and you came running right back in. It wasn't that strong, so I wouldn't have let him out there if it was strong, but he insisted. He kept sniffing at the little bit of air he could get. Say, Mama, I want to go out. So I opened the door. I said, it's going to blow your fur. And it did blow fur, didn't it? Yeah, it did. It blowed your fur. So I ran right back in. Right? Say, well, it stopped now, everybody. Yes, it stopped now. It was blowing really hard outside. And we didn't really get that much rain. We got some rain. I didn't see that much. It was on and off. Right? So it bloated fur. You didn't like that, did you, Remy? No, you didn't. So I ran back in, and Mama said, I told you that it was going to bloat your fur. Right? He's happy now. But to let y'all know, I'm not the only ones that stayed. And I noticed that the neighbors that did stay have pets. Yes, some shelters did take pets. But it's according to your pet. And cats have to be in carriers, and Remy would holler the whole time. And it's not a guarantee. Uber was giving free rides to shelters. But it's not a guarantee that they will let your pets come with you. And to find a shelter that will take it, and we were assigned a shelter that we had to go to, so I don't know if it was pet friendly. Plus, like I said, not all pets are good around strangers being in the carrier, so it depends on your pet. This is what it looks like now. Now what you doing? Look at him. He is a mess. He was just wanting to go out. Right, Remy boy? I tried to tell him, but he was insisting. To get some air too, huh, handsome? So letting y'all know we're all okay. I showed him the damage. Well, there's not damage. Just some tree limbs down. I went down. Look, they didn't even clean the gutters. See? Before the storm. I went and checked on the feral cats too. I didn't see anybody. I was so worried about them. Would you get your head out of there? There is nothing in there for you. Oh, he was looking for something to get into last night. Trying to get into cabinets. Mama's got baby locks on them to keep you out. Yeah, but Tuesday night I had put some dry food underneath the stairwell. And there was still dry food left in that little bowl. And I took the bowl up because I knew that a storm was coming. And I knew I wasn't going to be able to get out there to them. So some had been eaten. So I'm just hoping that Louie and Lucy are okay and that they did eat something last night. I just hope that I see them and they're okay. I was so worried.